Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads, a small business in Abington. I came across your business's Awesome Cleaning and Crystal Clean just in the Clipper magazine, so I thought I'd just shoot you this custom video to show you kind of like what goes on online and having an online presence is. So I Google searched you guys, Crystal Cleaning Services PA. I'm not sure if this is you guys or not, but if it is, that's great. You have some notability out there, which is good. So, let me just click on this. Should pop up here. So I'm not sure again if that's you. But I just want to kind of just go over a couple things on Google. So I just did a Google search for cleaning services, Montgomery County, PA. And, I did this in the other video as well for Awesome Cleaning. But I'll just go over it here. These are your Google guaranteed ads, which if you ever get ads, they're better than your traditional ads. Of course, there's a decent amount of money on ad spend. But this is the map pack, and it's actually a free process to go through to get it. You would just want to Google business profile, go through all the steps that Google makes you in order to apply for this. Once they learn that you're like a business with a physical address, then you get approved. And in order to move up throughout this is called the map pack. You just have to want to increase your citations and go through and add your business name, address, and phone number to places like Angie's and Yelp and Yellow Pages and City Search. And then Google is able to, they're able to rank you in this map pack. And you're going to get a lot of visibility. On mobile phones, people just click to call. Sometimes they go to your website, but you just high visibility here. It's a map pack to be in. And that's probably your simplest and least expensive way of getting visibility. But if you're in the map pack first spot and you're in the map pack, the first business underneath it, you get about 80% of the search volume to this page, and that's a good amount for sure because people are interested in this. In order to be here on your website, you'd want to have strong backlinks and referring domains, and that's just how your website is powered. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. So it could be something like a blog about cleaning and someone mentions your company, that's the backlink, and the blog is their referring domain. I have a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it gives us insight. These are all the kinds of keywords that you would want to try to rank for. House cleaning, Doylestown, PA. I'm sure they have one in Montgomery County. The number of searches a month. House cleaning services, 10 searches. And then I just go over and look at domains and backlinks. So, you'd want to add backlinks. This is how a website is built. And, then you get found for those keywords and get this amount of traffic. It's not too competitive. So, like your website wouldn't be too bad to get started on. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to give you some insight into, what an online presence is. We also do like Facebook ad management. I also do Google ad management, LinkedIn, any kind of other social media accounts you have, anything to help you get leads that are just very geared towards what your services are. That's my goal. So if you're interested in learning anything more, please reach out. My door is always open. I work within budgets. I have payment plans. There's many ways I can be creative to help generate some leads for you. I'd love to have a 10-minute conversation to see if we're a good fit. And if the timing's not right, that's okay. I understand. Not a problem. I just appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. Have a great one.